Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel From Someone's Kitchen, where real meals are made with love right here at home. I'm Keisha, and today we're cooking up something simple, soulful, and delicious. We're going to start off with slicing our squash. I grown this from my garden outside, and it's huge because we went on vacation, and when I got back, this is what I was left with. Look how big this piece is. Cannot wait. All right, now let's go ahead and grab our skillet and let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start off with a tablespoon of olive oil in a hot skillet. Then I'm going to saute one small onion until it's soft and you can start smelling it. Now I'm adding in my favorite part, the squash. This isn't just any squash, this one came straight from our garden. I love watching it grow from tiny blossom to big, beautiful vegetable ready to be picked. I don't know if you guys are like me. Every time that we went out of town and we came home, didn't matter what time it was, I put my things down and ran back to my backyard to check on my garden. And I did that every time we got back home. I feel like there's something that is so special about cooking with ingredients you've grown yourself. You have watered them, you watch them grow, you pick them from your own hands, and now you get to feed your family with them. It's quite different from the grocery store to the ones that you grow outside in your own backyard. And I feel like this is the kind of love that money cannot buy. This squash is a family favorite in our house. My kids ask for it a lot, and when I tell them it came from the garden, they get excited. It's like little moments like these that makes cooking feel more than just a task, more of a connection. I'm keeping the seasoning simple with some Kinder all-purpose seasoning. It brings out the natural sweetness of the squash without overpowering it. I do measure by tasting each time I go to make sure that it is to our liking. So you can do the same as well. I did put a cover over it so it can cook throughout. Let it cook until it's golden and tender. And you know it's ready when your kitchen smells like comfort. Look at this dish. It is simple, flavorful, and ready in no time. Try this easy side dish and let me know what you think. Enjoy!